Alright, welcome again. Another episode. Right here we have one of our 3-year-olds. Alright, and she has a history of years. And I'm just gonna take a minute to show you what I'm talking about. Alright, so look at the come on goat. Look at the ears right there. You can see that is years right there on the ears. Right? We call it years. So it affects the ears and the hoofs, especially in the rainy season. Now I had this girl here 2 days ago. She was okay, but she went to the pastures. Went over there today, and that is what I found. This is how I found her. Right? So the yars that affected the foot, the flies laid eggs on it, and it has turned into what you can see right there is a sore. So I am going to be treating this, and I will show you the process of how you would deal with something like this. It's really nothing too hard. So just follow through the process. Yes, so right here we have our asuntal, not asuntal powder, right? And we have ectoline spray, and these are what we are going to be using to treat our goat for the condition. I am kind of an expert do-it-yourselfer. So that's what I do with the animals. Alright. I should have gloves to deal with this, but can't bother to go up there now for any. Right, and what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna stuff it with some of your simple powder. Just stuff down some into the hole. Just a little bit. It's a small amount of a simple powder. This one down here. She's really afraid of this one here. Right? And that will kill all the live maggots in there. Good. That is how we do it. Right? We go wash our hands after this properly. So we'll be taking care of this girl for the next couple of days, and we will show you how well it works out. Alright?